So we've made a strategy and we've tested it so far, but it didn't do too well, as you could see in the last video. So now we need to optimize it. But what is optimizing strategy? Well, as you remember from the last video, there were the two SMAs, the 12 and the 26. But how do we know which ones are the best numbers to use? Well, it's simple. You can just include it in the optimization. So I'll just click this switch right here, and now I can choose where to start from in terms of the SMA period, so that number next to it, and how much to increment each time. So for this example, I'll just choose 5. So we'll try the 1, then the 5, then the 10, then the 15, all the way up to 500, and it will give you the best one. Instead of you having to manually go in here and typing 5, typing 10, typing 15, and then running the optimization like that. This way, it can save you some time. So I'll just try optimizing it on this one for now, and let's see what it does. So in here, there's not enough trades actually, because the look back of the period is too short. So it's only going off of the last week. So we need to go back here, and let's just choose 1 year, and try that again. Okay, so this time, it's already doing better, with 6% in returns, approximately. Apple, it did 8% now, and SPY, it did 5%. And if you want a more detailed view on this optimization that we just did, you can click on this tab here, and it'll show you the ROIs at different periods of that SMA. So as you can see, the 36 was really bad, but the 66 was pretty good. Anything from 100, from 80 to 106 was pretty good as well. And it'll actually tell you the best one right here, which is the 66. So we have this equity, we have this 66. It used about $500. The next thing we can do here is just save it, clicking this button right here. And just like that, we have saved that strategy, and it's actually pretty good now, and it's optimized. So let's see, what can we do next with this? If you don't want to use $500, you could choose any amount of money you want. For example, if I wanted to use 200, I could change it to 0.4 shares, and this is something called a fractional share. So I'll try this again now, and you can see here, it only used $200 at the most. Okay, but what if I wanted to use a lot more, like $1,000? I could change it from 1 to 2 shares now, and run that again, and now it used 100. And all of these are just affecting this number here, the profit. So if you did 1,000, it would make more profit, but it's the same ROI percentage. So this means you could use any amount that you want in terms of the most capital, and you'll get whatever profit, but the ROI will stay fixed. And that's one of the beauties of this type of investing. It's so great because you can just scale up with however much money you want, start at 0, and go all the way to whatever you like.